lovely friends. It is Tuesday and I have a process video to share with you for another page kit that I made for the upcoming expo in Irving, Texas. And I think this turned out super duper cute. It is a picture of me and Bab, of course. And we were at a restaurant and just kind of did a quick selfie. I basically took this super bright yellow piece of cardstock and I drew a doodle heart and then turned it into a cut file. I also cut out the center for the yellow cardstock, and you're going to see the white heart that is doodled right there and placed in the center. I did trim off a little bit of the yellow on all the sides of the paper just to make sure it was nice and even and had a nice little edge. And I also used for the background the Cap Martin Norwegian wood. I believe it's paper number 9. And then I took some of the elements from that Norwegian wood ephemera and basically made some clusters in a few areas. And I also took one of the labels from the Autumn Beauty from Cheeky Studio and added it to the bottom cluster that I'm working on right there. I did pop it up just to give it a little bit of dimension. There is our cute picture. I also created this title that says "Grateful for You," and it's in a lovely taupe brown type of color that matches the Norwegian wood paper perfectly. And the title is going to nestle there basically where you see it. I'm going to straighten it up, but so I'm just adding my clusters. This is a quick and easy layout. I wanted to make sure anybody could do it, and I'm just basically putting the clusters in place. I love the little bird up there. It almost looks like a bird is sitting on Bab's head. And the bird has such great detail. I don't know if you've gotten a chance to get your hands on some of the Norwegian wood ephemera, but the detail in Cap Martin's designs are amazing. So I do love them and I love working with them, and they work very well with the Autumn Beauty collection that I created. I also have another collection that I'm working on that I think is very different, and I'm excited about bringing that to y'all soon. I'm just trying to get through this expo, so you know, if the expo goes well, I should have some time to do more design work as opposed to, well, whether it goes well or not. As soon as it's over, I will have some more time to do design work as opposed to shipping and creating page kits and packaging and getting geared up for this show, because it's a pretty big one. So hopefully I will get to meet some of you there. So I'm just kind of finishing this up. I don't add any splatters or anything because, of course, this is my piece that I will have on display for the page kit, and it doesn't include shimmers or splatters. So simple, easy. You can put it together in just a few minutes, and this is one of 3 page kits that I will have at the expo coming up in just a couple of weeks. So that's it for now. There is information at the end on how to find Cheeky, and if you're on the Cheeky channel, please subscribe, and that way you'll get, you know, to see all of my lovely videos that me and my design team girls get to bring to you on a regular basis. So you wouldn't want to miss that. But that is it. Ta-ta for now. Bye.